You feel it coming, the pressure, the urgency. You rush to the bathroom, sit down, and nothing happens. Or worse, a small hard piece comes out and that frustrating feeling remains, like something is still stuck right there, refusing to move. If this sounds familiar, you're not imagining it. The problem isn't in your whole digestive system, it's right at the exit, and that changes everything. Because what most people don't realize is this: not all constipation is the same. There are actually two types. The first happens higher up in your colon. Things move too slowly, dry out, and take days to reach the end. That's what most laxatives are designed for. But the second type, that's the one most people struggle with and almost nobody talks about. The stool already made it down. It's right there in the rectum, but it won't come out. This is called outlet constipation, and it's incredibly common, especially as we get older. So why does this happen? Think of your rectum like a holding chamber. At the bottom of it is a muscle that acts like a sling. When you're sitting upright, like on a modern toilet, it creates a bend, almost like a kink in a hose. That bend is useful during the day. It keeps things in. But when it's time to go, that muscle needs to relax. If it doesn't, everything stops right there. Now add another problem. The longer stool sits in that area, the more water your body pulls out of it. It becomes harder, drier, and can eventually form a plug that simply won't move. And here's the mistake most people make. They push harder. Pushing doesn't fix the problem. It makes it worse. It tightens the muscles even more and can lead to hemorrhoids, pain, and even damage over time. So what actually works? If the stool is already stuck low, you don't need something that takes 2 days to travel through your system. You need something that works right now. One simple option is a small amount, just 1 teaspoon, of milk of magnesia. It draws water into the stool, softening it from the inside. Many people feel results within an hour. Another fast and targeted option is a glycerin suppository. It works right where the problem is and often brings relief in 15 to 30 minutes. But here's something just as important as any remedy: your position. Sitting upright keeps that kink in place. So even if your body is ready, the path is still blocked. The fix is simple. Place your feet on a small stool so your knees are higher than your hips. Lean forward slightly. Relax your belly, don't suck it in, and breathe slowly. This straightens the pathway and tells your body to release instead of strain. And often, that's all it takes. Now let's talk prevention. The goal isn't to rely on quick fixes. It's to stop this from happening in the first place. 3 simple foods can make a huge difference. First, kiwi. Just 2 a day can improve stool consistency and reduce straining. Second, ground flaxseed. It absorbs water and keeps everything soft as it moves through your system. Third, prunes. They naturally draw water into the stool and support gentle movement. But here's the key. Fiber only works if you drink enough water. Without it, fiber can actually make things worse. So go slow, stay hydrated, and most importantly, listen to your body. When you feel the urge, don't ignore it, because the longer you wait, the harder it becomes. Literally. Finally, know the warning signs. If you notice blood, sudden weight loss, severe pain, or major changes in your bowel habits, don't ignore it. Get checked. Most of the time, this is a simple mechanical issue. Once you understand how your body works, the solution becomes simple too. Your body isn't working against you. It's trying to tell you something. All you have to do is listen.